Hey, Amazon FBA sellers. So we will grow your profit and revenue on Amazon with best Amazon PPC and Amazon marketing, or we work for free. Yes, we work for free. We don't do that for you. Other than guaranteeing you more profit and more revenue, we will give you also these three key results. Result number one, we will create the best Amazon PPC based on our 9 years of experience and 600 managed ads campaigns. In this way, you get the best results with the best long-term returns, because the second results we guaranteeing is a long-term strategies. So we create advertisement systems so that you can get the profit long-term for years and years and years to come. Because some of the ads that we create last for 5, 6, 7 years. And the result number three that you get is that we guaranteeing metrics in advertisement that are very profitable. An optimized ECOS, an optimized DACOS, return of investment. We don't waste spend on testing keywords, testing targets. So everything will be optimized because we have this guarantee for you. Because if we don't bring you more profit and more revenue, we need to work for free and we will lose money on that. So we want to be very careful about what we do, and we need to bring results as fast as possible with the minimum cost for you. So why we are so bold to say this to you? Like we are very confident we can bring results because, for example, one of our client went from 2% to 8% profitability in 30 days. Another client is growing still 10% every month all over Europe. Another client is growing 10% specifically in one marketplace that they selected, 10% growth in Italy every month. Another client tripled the profitability of their store. Another client is managing the store right now with few hours per week because everything is automated and made digital. We implemented the best softwares and processes, implemented VAs, do everything profitably. So they started with a business that was a mess. We worked with them, and now their business is efficient, profitable, with the best advertisement strategy, the best Amazon marketing strategies that are available in 2026. So if you want to learn more how we can guarantee these results, what is the exact offer, all the details, you can watch the full video. There is a link below where I explain you everything. You can watch 5 minutes of that video and you understand what are we promising to you. And if you are interested to do that, you just need to put your phone number and your email. It needs to be a real phone number and a real email. You can see the video and learn everything you need to know about that. We will not push you in anything because we take only the best client that we can bring access to. Otherwise, we will lose money because if you work with us and we don't make more profit and more revenue for you, we will lose money. We need to work for free. So there is no risk for you to check this video. The only risk you have right now is not clicking the video, not checking the offer, and missing on this offer. You have limited spots to do this because we need to take care at maximum of every client. So click now, don't miss the opportunity, and let's see each other in the video. You.